recover deleted highlights on Instagram. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can recover your deleted highlights on Instagram. So if you want to recover the deleted highlights on Instagram, which can be a tricky as well as there is not a direct way to restore them once they have been deleted. For that, you have to try this few methods that you can recreate them. First of all, you have to launch your Instagram app. Once you have launched your Instagram app, you have to tap on the profile picture which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are here, so by mistake if you have deleted this highlight here like this, so if you want to restore that highlight, you have to tap on the horizontal line or menu icon which is on the top right corner of the screen, and here you have to select your archive option. Once you are on your archive, if you have the stories archive feature enabled, you will see a list of all your post stories, so you can select the story you want to add back to your highlights. So as I mentioned here, you have to just go for the new item, and here you can see your highlights. Just go and select the picture here and go for the next option. And after that, you can put your highlights name and go for the turn option. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily recover the deleted highlights on your Instagram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.